Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the table and entering the index function. Make sure the lookup column has unique values and no stray headers. In the target cell type equals index, then select the full return range. This tells Excel where values will come from. Next, you'll need a row number. Instead of hard-coding, prepare a match formula to find that row. This approach separates where you look from what you return, so results stay dynamic and easy to audit. Once ready, build match to find the row. Match, lookup value, lookup array, 0, uses an exact match and returns a number. Put that match directly into index row num argument, so index, range match. If your return range spans multiple columns, include a column number or use match for column position too. Make sure to lock ranges with $ for copying. This combination keeps lookups precise and lets you drag to finish, test multiple values so you confirm correct matches and return data. If a lookup might be missing, wrap the whole index match in IFR to display a friendly message like not found. This prevents ugly errors. If results are wrong, make sure the match mode is 0 for exact match, and verify the lookup array aligns positionally with the index return range. Misaligned ranges give offset errors. Once corrected, your index match is robust and dependable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.